One thing you need to do for me if you come across this channel is by clicking on the subscription button, because definitely that subscription button that you see there is free. The subscription button is definitely free. Please click on it, put on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified once I put up a video on my YouTube. I'm a lifestyle content creator. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. And if you come across as well, hey, don't forget, just click on that subscription. It's free. Yeah, I'm preparing I have prepared oha soup. Yeah, and with the help of my partner, my husband. You saw him, he was doing his own at the beginning of the video, right? Okay guys, don't forget, watch to the end though, share as well, like the video. Why wouldn't you like this 5 video now? Okay my people, enjoy the rest of the video.
Something toxic holding on me for dear life. A terrible, terrible high. Needing use an irresistible light. You said you and the air was all that I needed not to die. A terrible, terrible high. I don't know how this goes. Something in the water that you don't want to talk about. Cut me loose, you refuse. 'Cause there's something in the water that you don't want to live without. Say goodbye and then I put you in my pocket in case somehow I forget I don't need you and lose my breath. Terrible, terrible. Keep tugging that invisible thread. If I hold you for a moment, I lose my head. Terrible, terrible bad. But I don't know how this goes. But there's something in the water that you don't want.
In the comment section, some people usually just shred their oha leaf and just put it in the soup. I don't know, I would love to know, how do you do your oha leaf? Do you just immediately after bringing it out from the your box and everything, you wash it and put it in the soup, or do you normally slice the oha leaf? Like me, I do slice it, but I just kind of slice it big, you get, not too kind of not ugu slicing. So I would love to know how you do your oha leaf. And I know by now you know that our soup is taking its shape, isn't it? The soup is beginning to, the soup is souping already. Go and get your swallow so that this soup is definitely going to go round. You can see my massive pot now. Bring your swallow, because me, hey, my pounded yam is ready, guys.